Hey, I'm going to be doing a tutorial about how you can fix your robot vacuum's charging problem in case it does have a charging problem. First thing most everybody does is first, if it is having a charging problem and it's not charging correctly, or if it says it's not charging, or if it says it has a malfunctioning error, usually what people do is take a wipey or washcloth and wipe the sensor bars down really hard. Yep, gotta get some elbow grease, make sure they're all clean, and that should really fix your Roomba if that's what's working. So it should beep up, flash this charging icon. But if that's not the case, then you might have something affecting its battery. So what you're gonna do is flip it upside down, grab a Phillips screwdriver. You're gonna need to take off the top of the Roomba by removing the screws. You're also gonna need to take care of its side brush. And make sure you don't lose the screws. Yep. That should do it. That comes off. Set it to the side for right now. And you see that your battery should be in around this direction towards the front. And so you need to take it out. If I can take it out. Hold on. Oh wait, yeah, the straps. Probably should have looked at that. So what you're gonna do, if you see, I had this problem with my Roomba the other day, and I cleaned out all the battery. I cleaned it up, wiped it off with a towel, just wiped off everything, blew out all the dust because it was covered in dust and hair. So I just did that, cleaned it all out, wiped it all up, put the battery back. I put everything back in its place. Well, first you gotta put this thing back on. Screw in all that. There's that. Gotta screw back in the little side brush. Screw all this back in. And once you screw all that back in, your Roomba charging problem should be fixed, and it should show the little charging icon and beep its little beep. There you go, the light flashes on, the charging symbol flashes on, it's all good. Soon it'll be ready to clean, and that's that.